Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today. Today's video is going to be a first impression video featuring the BeauDiva Virgin Hair. I bought it on Amazon and I bought 3 bundles, 20, 22 and 24, and also it came with an 18-inch closure. So I'm gonna show you guys what it's looking like and my personal thoughts about the hair. So if you're interested, please continue watching. Welcome back guys. First I want you to like, comment, share and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you're notified when I post my videos. Let's get started. I got the 18-inch closure, so I'm just gonna take it out so you can see what it's looking like. So it comes with a mesh just to keep all the strands intact, so that when you get it, it's nice and smooth like this. This is 18 inches. It doesn't look like 18 inches, but let me get my tape measure and I'll be back. Yeah, this is not 18. So this can't be 18 inches. It says 18, but it's not 18 because this is too short to be 18. This is way too short to be 18. Way too short. Yeah, it's like right here. It's like 12. This is 12. This is not 18. This is not 18. This is not 18. This is not 18, but it says 18 on the thing, so I don't know. It's not 18, and I'm mad about that, of course. I'm not sure if I mentioned earlier, but it's the body wave. That's the style. And this is 22 inches. And let's see from here. I'm going to just stretch it out. This is not 22. This is 20. Yeah, this is not 22. This is 20. This is so 20. See? I'm stretching it as far as I can. And it reached. The tip does reach 22. Because 22 is right here, and you can see the few here, the few strands that made it to 22. Okay, BeauDiva. Okay, whatever. So came with these crunchy or stringy, these hair ties on it, and the length is right here at the top. Alright, so your virgin hair should look and feel natural without the scent of any chemical or the scent of any alcohol at all. If you do smell it, it's likely that your hair is not virgin and it's processed. But like if you look closely, you can see different colors. And I hate that, right? Because it will say on the thing 1B, but look at this. You can see this, most definitely. You can see the brown strands, as most of the time it's like hair that fall out that they put together and piece together to make these hair. And when that happens, you will find that your hair won't last as long because of course it will break, and you'll find out that your wig have like split ends. Like when you look at it excuse me, you will find that the ends are just split. Like not even just that, but like look at this. These are all the little fine hairs that didn't make it. It's like average quality. Yeah, so this is probably gonna last like about 6 months the most, depending on how I carry it. I carry hair really well, so it probably lasts way more. And I have like other wigs that I can, you know, rotate. And it's thin. This is thin, but anyways, it's fine. We'll work with it. All right, so it's time to measure now. This is supposed to be 20, and of course what I said is it would have been right at 18. Not surprised at all. I'm not surprised at all. You can see the few strands, the two little strands that made it to 20, and it's this. Yeah, that made it to 20. These. Same thing with this one. Same different colors. Like, look at this bright one right here. So bright, like it's golden. I don't like that. You see some reds and some different. I don't like that. Let's get on to the measurement to see. Okay, this is supposed to be 24, but of course it's right at 23 now, and this is what's left. And take it to 24, it fall apart. Well, they said it's 24, so it's 24 to them. Like, now you have the transparent lace and you have the HD lace. Yeah, when they do the lace like this, when this ugly brown color or in this color, like, whose skin is like that? Like dark gray, like nobody's skin tone is like that. It's harder for like us to match this with her scalp, because we don't have this color. Like, nobody does. That is why, like, if you're buying like a lace closure, a lace frontal, any lace, anything, go with the transparent one or the HD one. Yeah, because with those you can manipulate them in looking like your scalp. So just to summarize, the quality was below average. It's not like way below, like it's still okay quality here, but like for my standard of what I would have said is good quality, it's below that. Because the hair is very thin. It has mixed colors in it. I found a green strand, I found a white strand, there was a couple reds in there as well. Also, the hair measurement is not true. It was incorrectly stated on the package, as it was at least an inch to 2 inches below what was stated on the package. Also, the color of the lace, I didn't like that it was like a dark gray. I did make a few recommendations for that, which is the HD lace or the transparent lace. So yeah, that's it for the cons. And of course, I had to leave the good things for last. So it's very affordable. It's under $100 US. I actually paid $97.98 US for this hair, and it's 3 bundles. It's 20, 22, 24 with an 18-inch closure. So that's not bad on price. Another good thing is that it had no strong chemical or alcohol smell, and that normally proves that it's not processed. Shipping time was relatively fast, and I'm gonna tell you something, guys. I ordered this here from July, but I wasn't recording at the time and I wasn't ready to start recording again, so I kept this here until now. So I ordered it on the 27th of July, and it came, I think it was either on the 2nd or the 3rd of August. So that's pretty fast shipping. Another good thing was the branding. The branding was done very well. They had everything labeled and all of that. You knew that it was BeauDiva's hair, so that was really good as well. So yeah, that's it for the pros and cons. Thank you guys so very much for tuning into this video. If you like this video, guys, please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and turn on that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.